Hey, how's it going, everybody? This is Shubham here from Droid Monstein C. Yeah, I know I have not been uploading videos, but I'm going to do it from today. I'm going to upload like every day. Yeah, I'm going to keep that promise this time. Well, get this dude away from the screen. Okay, now roll the intro. Okay, so in today's video, we're going to check out the latest Oxygen OS update for the OnePlus 6, which kind of makes the OnePlus 6 the 6T. And this is probably the reason why I'm not going to buy the OnePlus 6T. Oh yeah, I'm going to skip the OnePlus 6T and probably I'm going to wait for the OnePlus 7. So this is a major update because it kind of has a lot of UI changes. For example, when you just pop up an app and you just close it, you're gonna see that fancy animation thing going on. Okay, so now just close this app and you see that fancy animations going on. So it happens with every single app. Oh, not with YouTube, I guess. Oh yeah, it probably happens with every single app you see which is having this fancy animation thing going on. So you probably may or may not notice this, but yeah, this animation thingy it's happening. So, and there are no more changes in the status bar and stuff. So the most of the okay, I'm doing this voiceover without a script. Anyways, so the biggest change is in the cameras, and this is the major reason why I'm not having the 6T in my hand right now, because the 6T and the 6 are both having the same camera setup, and we're just having that fancy software difference. And with the software upgrade, the OnePlus 6 is also going to have the camera app like the 6T. Yeah, that is it. And probably that is the reason I'm skipping the 6T and I'm still going to use the OnePlus 6. Yeah, and probably because of money as well. Okay, let's keep that aside. And you see there's something annoying OnePlus did. So to use the gestures, just swipe up and hold to get the recent apps, but now you don't hear the vibration, and I'm kind of lost with this because I don't know what is going on with this phone. And I just swipe up and you see this recent app screen is kind of changed. I am currently not at all happy with this change. Anyways, that was a pretty short video. If you liked it, just hit a like and please subscribe to my channel as yeah, just subscribe it. Now roll the outro.